There are many treatments to help promote hair growth, but one of the best is castor oil. This oil will not only prevent hair loss, but also promote the growth of hair. It's inexpensive and can be mixed with a few other ingredients to make a hair tonic. It's also easy to use in the comfort of your bathroom, no expensive salon or clinic visits required. Castor oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties and is high in vitamin E, minerals, proteins, and omega-6 and 9 beneficial fatty acids. Its unusually high ricinoleic acid ratio makes it beneficial to skin and hair. This product is suitable for both men and women to use. As both the sexes get older, they can experience a greater hair loss and the thinning of hair, which can be reduced by the application of castor oil to the hair. A large percentage of castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, one of the essential amino acids required by the human body. It's an omega-9 fatty acid that can penetrate into the pores of the skin and the hair follicles. It provides nourishment, enabling the hair follicles to restore growth to a normal level. How to use castor oil on hair. You may also make your own castor oil recipe with only a few ingredients and minimal effort. You need 3 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1 small glass bottle with stopper. Mix the ingredients together. Put the stopper in the bottle and shake gently. Castor oil can smell bad. If this bothers you, try adding in 2 or 3 drops of a fresh-smelling essential oil such as rosemary, peppermint, or tea tree. The simplest way to use castor oil on the hair is to massage it thoroughly into the scalp, the region where the hair follicles reside. The process of massage will also increase the blood circulation, making them more likely to produce hair. Castor oil will also return the scalp to the optimum pH level, cure acne and dandruff. Overall, it's an all-purpose hair and scalp restorative. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any question about this video, leave it to comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.